record right now. If you can hear me talking about pressing record, we know you can hear it.
Okay, well, let's find out, because I'm talking right now. Let me see if they get anything. I'm going to be doing contact opening.
Except I can't see your other hands.
Alright.
Okay.